Welcome to the world of CNC machines, where advanced computer technology meets precision manufacturing. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control, a modern system that automates machine operations using digital instructions. Today, CNC machines are essential tools in woodworking, furniture production, metalworking, and many other industries. The CNC process begins with a design. Engineers and designers create a digital model using computer-aided design, or CAD software. Once the design is completed, it is converted into a special machine language called G-code. This code contains all the instructions needed for the CNC machine to perform its work. After the program is loaded, the machine begins operating automatically. The cutting tool moves along different axes with extreme precision, following the exact dimensions and patterns from the digital design. This allows the machine to cut, carve, drill, engrave, and shape materials with outstanding accuracy. In woodworking factories, CNC routers are widely used to produce furniture components, cabinets, doors, decorative panels, and custom wooden products. The machine can create detailed designs and complex patterns that would take much longer to produce manually. One of the biggest advantages of CNC machines is precision. Every cut is accurate, and every product can be reproduced with the same high quality. This consistency is extremely important for large-scale manufacturing where thousands of identical parts may be required. Another major benefit is speed. CNC machines can perform tasks much faster than traditional methods. Automated production reduces manual labor, increases efficiency, and helps businesses meet production deadlines more effectively. CNC technology also improves material utilization. Because the machine follows exact measurements, there is less waste and better use of raw materials. This helps manufacturers reduce costs and improve profitability. Safety is another important advantage.